Out here, beautiful Lake McSwain, Sunday. Mackie be outdoors. Water looks smooth. So it could be like 5-mile-an-hour high today. See some ripples out there past the islands, but don't plan on going that far. Going to be working some plastics today. Hopefully get on a couple bass. Find an elusive crappie I've never been able to catch, hopefully. Got some night crawlers just in case they don't want to bite nothing else. I only know how to throw like 2-3 rigs. Carolina. I can throw the hook on the fluke weightless. And I can jig. What's that? We're going to try maybe a drop shot if we get on top of them because it's still enough. They were kind of deep last time I came. We'll see if they still are. Oh no. I finally hooked into something, dude. Trolling these walls. Seen a bunch of fish on the fish finder, so I was like, yeah. I was like thinking about banking it right there, but I was like, I'll troll by it. And I hooked into this toad. Oh, it's a fighter. Oh, he's not. He just hooked weird. Come here, little guy. We'll let you go. He just got hooked weird. That's all. Little guy. Alright, no skunk though. The old crankbait got another one. Sitting in a 28 foot of water there. Oh, now he wants to fight. Another little guy. It's gotta be all the males. At least they're fighters. Would you just calm down? We'll get you on your way. Trust me, I planned that out to be a little bit better too. Oh, there's a bunch of fish right down there. Oh shit. Oh shit. Just lost a rod there. Alright, he ain't going nowhere. Let's just reel this one in. Alright. Okay. Off the bottom. Like 10 feet of water. Feels good. Alright, there's an eater. Whoa, whoa, whoa. And that wind just had to come pick up, didn't it? Just got another one on the old crankbait. He's probably small since they all been pretty small hitting the crankbait. Oh, he's fighting better. And he's just fighter. The rod's just really light too. Alright, the crankbait got another one. Keep seeing some good ones jumping by those buoys. So I'm hoping I got a good one, but never know. Oh. Probably foul hooked again. Every time I light a cigarette, damn it. Well, he's seen me. I didn't see him yet. There he is. Yeah, another foul hooked. Oh, wow. Called it. Oh, no, don't do that shit. Alright, this one's actually swimming around. Well, that's a good one. Oh, he threw up something. Oh yeah, that's a chunky one. Alright, got one on the same corner as earlier. There seems to be a lot of fish on this corner. Oh, that's a good one. It's a good little one. Oh man. Oh man. Keep it up and you'll go home. It's a good one though. Fatty. 15-incher on here. Dumping. About 13 or something.